ain't never bought his. Look, yeah, look. You know what I'm saying? Now, look, I ain't got, look, I'm lying to you, right? Look, first of all, I'm lying to you. This nigga right here gonna tell me. He said he put, then he get into it. Going, he said, wait in the car. So I was like, why can't you wait in the car? Wait in the car. This little funny little nasty. Look, then so, well, wait in the car, right? I'm tripping out, but I ain't tripping. Because I know he going to get that car. Nigga, I'm up here 15 hours of alcohol. I ain't know alcohol. Well, look at, look. And this nigga right here, him.
Yeah.
Then he came out there and said, and he handed me the bottles. I said, thank you, Jesus. You know what I mean? So this nigga said, and I said, he said, oh, he's turning this shit. I said, I didn't say that. I said, I got alcohol, nigga. I don't give a fuck with that motherfucker story. I don't give a fuck about your car, nigga. Nigga, your